everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to show you how to do some different stitches. This one will be our single crochet. So we need to start with a slip knot and a chain before we can get there. So I've just chained 12. And now I'm going to place my hook into this chain. I'm going to yarn over, pull through, then I'm going to yarn over again and pull through 2 loops. And that is our first single crochet. So we will go into the next chain, yarn over and pull through, yarn over again and pull through those 2 loops. Into the chain, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So that's our last single crochet of this chain. So we got our front of our single crochets here. You can see the top 2 loops nicely. When we turn our work, you don't see them as well, but you'll go still through these 2 loops. You'll yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both again. Same one, make sure you're going through these 2 loops. So you got 1, 2, pull through both. So that was a 5mm hook with my weight 4 yarn. I'm going to show you what it looks like with a size up to a 6mm. So I'm going to go through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through both. You can kind of see the space that you'll be going into a little bit better with this hook size up, so the stitches will be a little bit looser. This is our last one. So now on the back side you can see your spaces better. That's where you're going in to do your single crochets. So now that we've done those, I'm going to show you half double crochet or a double crochet. So this one, for single crochet, we're just going through and pulling through those 2 loops. Before we go into this stitch here, we're going to yarn over our hook, and then we are going to go through. We're still going to yarn over and pull through. So now we're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and now we should be left with 2 more loops here. So we'll yarn over again and pull through those 2 loops. So we'll do that again, yarn over, go into your stitch there, yarn over, pull through that stitch, I'm going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. So you can see these ones are taller, and I will show you where to go into when you're crocheting into your double crochets. So I'm just going to finish up here doing my double crochets of this row. Now when you want to turn your work, you want to chain 3, or you might find a different way that you like to do it. It just builds this up so when you go into the next stitch, it's not shrunk down like how this side is when we went from single to double. So in this double crochet here, you have this big space, and then you have this little space here. And for the longest time when I started doing double crochets, I was going into this space here. I wasn't going into the actual stitch. And I was wondering why it wasn't lining up properly, and that's why. Certain patterns will call for you to go into this, but that's not just a regular double crochet. So again, we'll yarn over, we'll go into that. So we have our 2 loops over top, then yarn over and pull through, then we'll yarn over and pull through our 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. And we'll do that again, yarn over into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. And that's how you do a double crochet. So we can do a half double crochet. I'll just finish up this row so it'll be even. Slightly even because I still have single crochets on this side. Okay, so to start my half double crochet row, I'm going to want to chain 1, and then I'm turning my work. So I'm going to yarn over, go into that stitch, yarn over and pull through. Now because this is a half double crochet, you're not doing a full double crochet, you're just going to yarn over and pull through all 3 of the loops instead of doing 2 and then pull through 2 more. So yarn over into your stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3. Yarn over into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. For my first double crochet on this side, we did a chain 3, so now I'm going to do my half double crochet into the chain 3, which counts as our first double crochet. So that's our half double crochet. We finished. We're going to chain 1 and turn our work. So now we got 2 loops here, and then we got this extra loop. We are just going to go in this space here. So yarn over and go into that. And that's how you will crochet into your half double crochets. So you will have an extra loop hanging. So those are the basic stitches. You got your chains, your single crochet, half double crochet, and then a double crochet. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any other stitches you'd like to learn, leave a comment below and I will make a tutorial for that. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more videos.